Have you imagined that you are became billionaire? Comment below. Here I give some steps to become a billionaire. Before we going to see, subscribe the channel and comment below that I am subscribed. 56% people are self-made billionaires. Here's some interesting fact about billionaires are, there are 2,150 billionaires worth a combined $10 trillion. New person become billionaires every 30 hours. Their wealth is greater than that of 60% of the world's population. So today we going to look few ultimate steps to become billionaire. Step 1. Start super yearly. Yes, Elon Musk sold his software when he was 12. Warren Buffett made his first investment when he was 11. You don't need a rich father to become rich, but you need to hang around with rich peoples to become rich. You have more time when you are young. Starting early can help you avoid the curse of knowledge, and you are able to access information from a fresh lens. The early years are all about learning, where an individual will have far more financial flexibility and independence to go through the tough times relatively easily. Step 2 is educate yourself constantly. Ask any entrepreneur that has enjoyed considerable success, and they will all tell you the same thing. Keep learning. Some business people think that once they've secured a few big profits and got their founder's card, the hard work is over and they know all they need to know. And here's the thing. All those entrepreneurs who have tasted incredible success have all made mistakes. Learning from them means you won't have to go through the same failures or agonizing and costly errors that occur in business all the time. Educating yourself to a broad industry level will help you pivot when necessary, invest if you need it, and protect your business when trouble rears its head. Ultimately, entrepreneurs love learning because it inspires them to achieve great things. The third step is fail quickly and keep moving. Failure is the first step to success. Replace why it is always fail. 2. What it is trying to teach me is a game changer. Billionaires failed many times. If you ready for success, also be ready for failure. Failure isn't your goal, but it's a part of journey. Surprising facts about failures are: failure makes the same goal seem less attainable. Failure also distorts your perceptions of your abilities. Failure makes you believe that you're helpless. A single failure experience that can create an unconscious fear of failure. Fear of failure can be transmitted from parents to children. Step 4 is sacrifice social life and work 80 to 100 hours per week. Musk has acknowledged that his team has also put in long hours this year, sometimes up to 100 hours a week. There wasn't any other way to do this, he said in an interview with Recode this year, explaining the challenges that car companies face to stay successful. For his part, Musk has recognized the need for a change. Working for 80+ hours is extreme. In order to become 1% of people, you have to do 99% won't do. Step 5 is build and grow your first successful business. 3 ways to build and grow a successful business. Be relatable. We spend way too much time trying to be perfect, creating the right content or the right product, but we forget about being relatable. Sumpter told me that nobody buys back perfect. Next step is build an innovative business. Here are 4 ways to help create more innovation in your business. Don't make everything about efficiency and scale. Embrace uncertainty. Seek small innovations. Don't try to isolate innovation. Control your business by controlling a sales department. Don't outsource sales, Sumpter urges. Everybody wants to focus on marketing and being popular, and they forgot about the conversion part about being profitable. Next step is focus on warm traffic. The truth is, you want buyers, not followers. Sumpter says, people who are addicted to how many likes and followers they have on social media. We are so consumed with our posts and who commented or liked it, we've moved into wanting to be famous rather than being successful. Build your business by focusing on warm traffic, refer traffic, affiliate traffic, and by building something called buyers lists, which you can get from others in your niche. The next step is focus on new idea that impact peoples. In order to build multi-billion-dollar business, your product service will impact lots of people. The top 5 industries that most billionaires follows are finance and investment, fashion and retail, real estate, manufacturing, and technology. Next step is go after big bucks. Here is a super valuable advice. Go where the money is. Bucks is a prepaid account that is used to make purchases all across campus and at select merchants off campus. There are several benefits to utilizing this account. Next step is dream big. What can you bring to the world that is unique, compelling, and helpful, with the ability to change the world and create a new business? No billionaire started a company to be mildly successful. At age 19, Bill Gates was one of the first to recognize that personal computers could revolutionize business, education, communications, and entertainment if their operation could be simplified so that everyone could use them. This led to the founding of Microsoft. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, recognized a future where virtual retailers could replace brick-and-mortar operations with lower costs, wider selections, and better customer service. Billionaires are adept at discerning what can be and making it come true. Next step is be totally committed to success. Forget passion. Success is about obsession. Mark Cuban, a billionaire in his early 30s after the sale of his company Broadcast to Yahoo, advises, don't start a company unless it's an obsession and something you love. If you have an exit strategy, it's not an obsession. When building his company, Cuban couldn't keep a girlfriend, went 7 years without a vacation, and didn't even read a fiction book during that time. He was pretty focused. Bill Gates never took a day off during his 20s while building Microsoft. Mark Zuckerberg advises entrepreneurs to move fast and break things, the things being the traditional ways of doing business, and the last step is never forget the customer. Invent, innovate, and invest in your products and services, always keeping customer satisfaction your number one goal. J. Paul Getty, named by Fortune magazine as the richest living American in 1957, claimed that the man who comes up with a means of doing or producing almost anything better, faster, or more economically has his future and his fortune at his fingertips. Forbes contributor Jeffrey Dorman notes that 75% of the world's 2015 billionaires made their money by selling something that their customers wanted. He notes that they made their customers better off, and the result was a win-win for the customer and the billionaire providing the product or service. In order to achieve all the things, first you need self-discipline. Never get our advice from average person. If you want to become billionaire, especially your family, your friends, your teachers, and your parents, the number one reason people fail in their life is they listen to them, because they try to perfect you and make you avoid mistakes and failures. Failure is the first step to success. Subscribe my channel and give the thumbs up button and comment below that you are subscribed. Meeting you in next video.